Hey everyone, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm on location again in Sunbridge. I've come to you before from this particular builder. This is Webb. They are building a community in Sunbridge in the Osceola County side, St. Cloud side. And this is a 55 plus active adult community. When I say active, they are putting in a ton of things, amenities. They have a beautiful multi-million-dollar pool and clubhouse. They're going to have restaurants, a lot of activities planned out for you to do. So this is not your typical adult community. They're going to have a lot of things going on so that you can feel like you don't have to leave your community and you can have a blast. You can enjoy your time. The community is located, again, I think I said this earlier, in Osceola County, St. Cloud side. Well, the model that I have behind me is called the Renown. It's approximately 2,800 square feet. This model has three car garage. And without further ado, let's take that tour. Welcome back, everybody. What comes to mind when I look at this home is space. And obviously it has a good amount of space in 2,800 plus square feet. But what I mean space is that you just feel in every room that there's extra space. Like the closets are pretty large. The master bedroom closet is huge. And I don't know if you picked up that there were 2 closets in there. I love how they connected the second closet, which was in the bathroom, to the laundry room, so that if you're the homeowner, you know, you may not have other people living with you, so you can just take your clothing right from your room directly to the laundry room and not have to take it around the house to get there. So wonderful thoughts. What a beautiful area. I love the corner slider doors. I love the attention on the ceiling with the wood beams. Utterly beautiful. This home is one of the many models that they have here in this community, Del Webb. As always, I'm constantly putting out content, information on the YouTube channel, so please feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so that you're notified when new content comes out, which is happening almost daily. Also, if you would not mind, feel free to write down my information. It's at the bottom of the screen. Reach out to me, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I would love to be your personal resource, the resource for your family, to assist you with whatever buying and selling needs you have here in the Central Florida area. I'm here for you. Feel free to check out other content on the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.